What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today we're gonna try to get some things done. We're gonna start by looking at the extended cab. When I was driving it and you turn all the way, like to make a U-turn, the differential pops. So I'm pretty sure it's the spider gears. So I'm gonna go ahead and tear it down right now. I know I was gonna try to get a crank on the Trailblazer, but I haven't gotten the intake gasket in yet. Hopefully I get it here soon. But for now we're gonna work on the extended cab, see what's wrong with that, and we're probably gonna end up going to the junkyard and picking up everything that we need for the interior, the window regulator, the dash, all that good stuff, so the truck can look complete. And if the differential is messed up, I'm gonna probably just, if I could fix it with the spider gears, I'm gonna go ahead and replace those. If not, I'm gonna try to find a used one complete, so I can just swap it out. But we're gonna turn to that right now. So y'all stay tuned, guys. Y'all stay tuned. All right, guys. So I ended up moving the Trailblazer back, and I backed up the extended cab. I'm about to take the differential cover off and see how it looks. I'm gonna go ahead and put you on the stand. Hopefully it's not dark down there, and hopefully I can still see. But if anything, I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. Probably get the light out and everything. And hopefully it's not too bad. Hopefully it's fixable with just the spider gear, so I don't have to change the whole differential, which, I don't mind. But, it's a little bit of a time and money situation saving. If I have to just change the whole thing out, I'm losing a little bit, but, it's going to have to get done. But let's jump into it, see how it goes. And we go from there. Alright, guys, so we're under the truck already, and hopefully I can see. We're gonna be taking off this cover right here, and this is a 10 bolt. You count the bolts, a 10 bolt, and there's also a 14 bolt. And we're gonna have to take off these bolts. It's like if you're just changing out, sometimes your differential be leaking from right here, and you have to change out the gasket. It's the same procedure, same everything. You just gotta take out all the bolts. You get a drip pen, so you will make a mess. And that's pretty much it. These are 13 millimeters, and you just start taking them off one by one. I usually leave two, loosen them up a little bit, and you can see it's already dripping through the little hole. You do need a screwdriver to pry it out, so I'm gonna go and grab that. So I got the screwdriver, and you just pry it a little bit. Remember guys, this has most of these have a silicone, so it could be stuck a little bit. I usually leave 2 bolts so the thing won't, the cover won't just drop and make a mess. I can already tell guys this messed up because it has a lot of metal shavings, and I really don't like to work on these guys because these are disc brakes. It's a little bit more work, but a lot of people prefer the disc brake over drums. I don't know why. Alright guys, so now that we got most of the oil dripping, give it about a second. And take out the other bolts. And just, pull the thing out. I don't know how good y'all could see that. But I think we're in luck, guys, because the actual gear itself looks good. And I could tell through this little hole right here. Okay, let me show y'all. I don't know if y'all can see that spider gear in there. It's 8 up. I'm going to go ahead and put the truck in neutral and see if I could get a better look at it. Alright guys, so this is a better look at it. As you can tell, right here where my finger's at, these spider gears, they're gone. All the way around. Look at these right here. This is a overbite. That's what they call it, an overbite. And it still catches a little bit, but every single time you turn, I don't know if y'all know, when you turn, one tire always stays in motion and one, kind of slows down. Sometimes if you do like a complete U-turn, one tire stops completely and the other one keeps on going. So every single time you turn, you hear a pop in your differential, and it's pretty much going to be these. And as you can see, the main gear itself is good. It's good. You can tell right there. It's still good. Just these are messed up, and they're not that hard to change out. Just a little messy. We're not gonna tear it apart all the way right now, since I have to roll the truck out to close the garage, and I don't have the parts to fix it. If I had the parts, I would have gone ahead and done it, but it's easy. And you just gotta take out this bolt right here. The pin's gonna slide out. It's gonna release these two, the top and the bottom gear. Those two are gonna be loose, and then you have to go to one of your axles and remove all the brake assembly and all that, the tire, and push it out. You gotta push in the axle because it actually has a little pin, like right there. And once that pin falls, you can take out this gear. The same thing with the other side. But I'm gonna go ahead and run to the junkyard, guys, and see if I can find these and actually take them off from another one, or if I can even just buy them and save me some time. I'm gonna just go ahead and buy them. But if anything, I'm gonna have to take them off myself. Ain't no biggie. Yeah, guys, so I'm actually glad that it was just the spider gears. It's gonna save me some money, and I've done those plenty of times that I know, how to do it. The only thing I'm gonna end up needing is some oil, a gasket, which I'm thinking about using silicone. I like using silicone better than the gasket itself. Just you gotta clean it off real good. Brake cleaner, part cleaner, whatever you have around. Some people even use gasoline. I don't like it. I don't like using gasoline, but it's your preference. So right now, guys, we're gonna wrap it up right here in the shop, and we're gonna head to the junkyard, and we're gonna jump on the door panel, the window regulator, the top piece of the dash, and we're gonna go ahead and grab those spider gears so the truck could be running and be complete. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all don't go nowhere. Be right back. Alright, guys, so we out here at the junkyard already, and I already located all the parts that I'm gonna be taking off. The door panel, or maybe not the door panel, I don't know. But the dash, I found it. Let me go ahead and show y'all that. I found this door panel, but it has this little tear right here. And I found the dash. My girl's helping me take it off. And further down that way, I found the gears, the spider gears. I'll be taking those off too. So yeah, guys, so we pretty much found what we were looking for. And I don't know, I'll probably look around, see if there's anything else around here that might help or might look good in the truck. I don't know. See what happens, see what we find. There is a lot of cars and a lot of trucks, but man, they're pretty much, mangled up already, teared down. But man, we're gonna keep on looking, see what we find. Yeah, stay tuned. Alright, guys, so we are back at the house. I was gonna go back to the shop, but I was like, man, I'm not gonna be fighting traffic right now. It's like 4:30 right now in the afternoon. I don't want to be fighting traffic, going all the way over there. So I was closer to the house. So I was like, man, fuck it, I'm gonna just go ahead and go home. But I actually got everything I needed for the extended cab, and tomorrow we're gonna be putting all that in and get it running. Looking back like stock again. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I got. So we got the top piece, the door panel, and the spider gears. And I found an intake there, and I decided to take off the gaskets. They look pretty decent, just dirty. These were $1, guys, $1 each, $1.30. So I was like, I can't pass up on them. I also got the window regulator, and that's pretty much it, guys. So that's pretty much it. Tomorrow we're gonna be working on the extended cab and the Trailblazer. I'm gonna try to go ahead and put those gaskets, since I haven't gotten the ones I have ordered. I don't want to wait no more, guys. I want to go ahead and see what's next. I want to go ahead and turn it on, turn it on and go from there. See what's missing. I know I still gotta do the dry shaft and the cross member and all of those little stuff, the exhaust, but I want to get all those main things out the way, like the intake. I want to be able to crank it over, set the key, the security code thing, and get it going. I've been holding back a lot with all the moving and not having a place to work on them, work on the trucks and stuff like that. But there's nothing like that in the way anymore. So we're gonna get this thing done hopefully this week. hopefully I could get the cross member done this week and the dry shaft. But I know for sure, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and finish that truck tomorrow, the extended cab. I'm gonna put the spider gears, and I'm gonna put the dash and all that stuff, so it could be a driving and functioning vehicle. But that's pretty much gonna be it, guys, for this video. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here, and I just want to let everybody know that you know, I do all these stuff, all these builds, guys, like the single cab. They're not the best builds out there, and you know, I just do them on a budget. I try to do everything myself, and the little things that I don't know how to do, I try to do a lot of research and a lot of studying on how to do them. And I know I've been getting a lot of people telling me, hey bro, what are you doing, you know, why are you doing things like that and this and that. But hey guys, guess what, I'm not rich. I'm doing things the way I know how to do them and to my best knowledge. And I want to you know, say thank you to everybody that's been supporting me and liking my stuff and sharing my stuff. And for other negative people, hey man, you know, it goes in through here, comes out through over here. I really don't care. If you got something negative to say, go ahead and post it. Hey, you know, it ain't gonna do nothing to me. It's not gonna hurt me. It's not gonna do anything. So yeah, guys, I want to go ahead and end this video right here, and y'all stay tuned, because tomorrow we will be riding that extended cab. We're gonna go wash it. We're gonna do all that stuff. Make sure that the gears are in there right, and hopefully, guys, that's gonna be, you know, it for that extended cab. You know, as the problem. I hope we don't run into any more problems, because I want to go ahead and start on the build. Like, I want to go ahead and drop it and do all this crazy stuff to it. But you know what, guys, I'm gonna leave y'all with that, and hopefully you know, God gives me another day tomorrow, and I'll be back. So y'all don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And you know, if you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. And I'm gonna catch you on the next one.